The evening commute is just getting underway, and while the snow finally stopped falling, refreezing is the big concern now.
Yeah, it sure is. Marla Carter joins us live from Highway 169. Marla, how's it looking out there?
We are heading north on Highway 75. We are actually about at 81st Street and 75 heading northbound, and those frigid temperatures that Brett was talking about could seriously factor into the roadways tonight. Now, as you can see, the road is pretty clear. A lot of that snow has been removed, but it is the stuff that did melt today that could refreeze. Now, that is something that's very concerning to ODOT and create a black ice situation. So ODOT is really discouraging any travel today. ODOT says they will have crews out all through the night and into tomorrow, continuing to clear roadways. Again, Highway 75 is looking great. ODOT said that they have at least one lane cleared on all the highways, and now they're working on that second lane. Now, earlier today, we saw several drivers struggling to make it up slick hills. We saw a truck near 81st and Yale. He was really trying to get up that hill, but he eventually had to turn around and give up there. We also saw another driver struggling to weave his way to the top of a hill. Again, finally made it up that hill, but there were a number of cars that weren't so lucky that slid off the road and into ditches. Certainly a treacherous situation out there this morning. And again, just because the road looked clear, it could still have black ice, so just be extra careful. Again, travel is discouraged. Now, coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, we'll hear from drivers about their experiences on the road, and we'll have an update on the road conditions. Reporting live from Highway 75, Marla Carter, 2 News Works for you.